we're learning about hardware and software for digital technologies. Let's have a look and see what the difference is. What is hardware? Computer hardware refers to all the different parts of a computer that you can physically touch, like the keyboard, a mouse, and a monitor or a screen. It also can include other parts. The computer tower or the case. This picture's got everything on the inside there. Portable devices like memory sticks and hard drives. Printers, scanners. Anything that you can touch on or plug into a computer is classed as hardware. So, what is software? Computer software is a set of instructions given to the computer so it can do specific things. You can't touch software, like games, programs, and apps. Anything you can do on a computer is run by software. Are you ready for a quiz? On each of these slides is a picture of hardware or software. Can you determine which it is? A computer tower or a case. Is it hardware or software? That's right, it's hardware. Well done. A computer program. Is it hardware or software? That's right, it's software. A computer game. Is the game hardware or software? That's right, software. And a monitor. Is the monitor hardware or is it software? A monitor is also a screen. That's right, it's hardware. A printer. Is it hardware or software? Hardware. Well done. And a portable hard drive. Hardware or software? That's right, hardware. Apps. Apps, hardware or software? That's right, they're software. A scanner. And a scanner is, that's right. Have a walk around your house now, perhaps. So for Thursday's activity for Digitech, I want you to walk around your house and see what hardware you can find. Do you have any hardware at your house? You might have some printers, or you might have a keyboard, or you might have a mouse, or maybe you've got something else. You might have a game console, like an Xbox or something like that. You might have something like that at your house. I'd love you to draw a picture of what you have and have a go at labelling the hardware. Walk around, see what you can find, draw your pictures and label it and post that onto Seesaw. And for Friday's activity, I want you to have a go of doing some of the software that you like. You might like, so remember, software is the programs that the computers use. You might have a favourite game you play on an Xbox, or perhaps a game or an app that you use on a phone or an iPad. I would love to hear about what your favourite one is. So have a go of, you might draw a picture and write about it. Tell us what it is. What's one of your favourite programs that you like to use on your digital technology? We're looking forward to finding out. Thanks, Preps. I hope you enjoy this activity.